Today, I'm gonna show you my construction.
This cars.
What's this?
Windows.
Next, what's the next one? Put it here. Next. What's that?
A tractor.
Okay, what's next? What's that?
Dump truck.
What's this?
Dump truck.
Dump truck. Let's move the dump truck.
This more of the dump truck.
Okay.
This more dump truck.
Let me see. Show it to the camera. Yay! This is another
Dump truck.
dump truck. Next, what's next? What's that? What's that?
That's a window.
Excavator. Show it to the camera. Excavator. Oh, and then you turn it around, and then there you are. Excavator.
What?
What's that?
Mixer.
Cement.
Mixer.
Show it to the camera. Turn it around. Turn the cement mixer.
Oh, those.
Next, what's the next one?
This one.
Oh, this one first. What's this?
Another one.
Another what?
Another mixer.
Another mixer. It's big. Turn it around. Turn around the mixer. Put it beside the cement mixer.
This one's small. It's small.
Yeah, that's one small. Next, what's the next one?
What roller?
Road roller. I'll show you to the camera how it works. There's the roller. Next. What's that? What's that?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. You show it sideways. Like that. Next. What do you call that?
Dump truck. Hi.
So, these are Kaleb's construction vehicle.
What's that?
Let's name it one by one.
Is it
So, what is this? What's that?
mixer?
This one?
Mixer.
This one?
Oh, that's
This one?
dump truck.
This one?
What roller?
Roller. This one?
That's bigger.
This one?
Tractor.
This one?
It's bigger.
This one?
Dump truck.
The other one?
Dump truck.
Another dump truck. How many dump trucks do you have?
1, 2, 3.
How many cement mixer do you have?
1, 2.
How many excavator do you have?
1, 2.
Count your construction vehicle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'll give you the small. What's it? The small. Next. Here comes your small truck. Fix it beside the tractor. Here, next. Yeah, it's a fact. Next. Next, last one. Bulldozer. What's that?
Pixel.
Let me see. Next. What's next?
Green.
What? Let me see your face. Look at me. What's that?
Green.
Crane. You don't have crane? Do you have crane, Caleb?
We do have green.
You don't have crane. Okay, let's go to the next one. What's that?
Dump truck.
Oh, where's your dump truck?
This.
How many? 1, 2,
3.
3. That?
Bulldozer.
Oh, do you have bulldozer? Let me see. Where's your bulldozer? This one. Big bulldozer.
This is same.
Yes. Now what's next? What's that? Do you have forklift?
No, don't. No. Don't have.
You don't have one. Next. What's that?
That's this. That's this.
What's that?
Actually, that's this.
Oh, you still have one.
More?
You have 2.
No. 1,
1.
2.
Next. What's that?
1. Oh, yeah.
Road roller. Let me see. Do you have? There. Put it there. Here. So that if you can see it's the same. Is it same?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
So these are Caleb's construction vehicle.
Bye, guys. See you. Video. Bye.